For most people, fire is a sense of warmth and light, but for the community that I work for, fire is a threat.
FireSwarm Solution is building a swarm algorithm that allows heavy lift drones to automatically pick up water from water sources and drop them on fires where they are required. The ability to have multiple drones flown in a swarm through an automated algorithm allows pilots on the ground to oversee a mission being flown by machines. Our First Nation partner, who is critical for the development and the deployment of our solution at scale.
Benefits I see for the community now and in the future with FireSwarm is the ability to not just fight the fire, but create a learning environment, skills development, a whole new sideline of industries.